Hi guys, welcome back to Crack Result. Today we are going to study geography MCQs, which is very important for your upcoming exams. Let's start our video. Our first question is, which is the second nearest star to Earth after Sun? Options are Vegas, Ceres, Proxima Centuria, Alpha Centuria. The correct answer is that is option C, that is Proxima Centuria. If you talk about Proxima Centuria, this star was discovered in 2016. If you talk about our solar system, that is Sun. The closest planet to Sun, that is Mercury. Second closest is Venus. Third closest is Earth. The Earth is also known as blue planet. Let's move to our next question. Which one of the state does not form a part of Narmada River basin? Options are MP, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra. The correct answer is that is option B, that is Rajasthan. If you talk about Narmada originates from Amarkantak in MP. This river flow also goes Maharashtra and Gujarat. Narmada is largest river in Gujarat. Guys, tell me in comment section, Narmada is western flowing river or eastern flowing river? Tell me in comment section. Let's move to our next question. Who coined the word geography? Options are Ptolemy, Eratosthenes, Hector, Herodotus. The correct answer is that is option B, that is Eratosthenes. Let's move to our next question. The age of the earth can be determined by options are geological time scale, radiometric dating, gravity method, fossilization method. The correct answer is that is option B, that is radiometric dating. If you talk about fossilization, this method is used to study fossils. Our next question is, river Indus originated from? Options are Hindu Kush ranges, Himalayan ranges, Karakoram ranges, Kailash ranges. The correct answer is that is option D, that is Kailash ranges. Indus originated from Mansarovar, Kailash. And if you talk about some points about Indus, that is Indus Water Treaty is signed between 1960 between Pakistan and India in Karachi. According to this treaty, India is able to use only 20% water of the Indus river. If you talk about the major tributaries of Indus river are, that is Chenab, that is largest tributary, Beas, Ravi, Jhelum, Satluj. These are the major tributaries of Indus river. Let's move to our next question. The lowest layer of atmosphere is, options are stratosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, troposphere. The correct answer is that is option C, that is troposphere. Oxygen is also present in troposphere. If you talk about mesosphere, that is middle layer. If you talk about thermosphere, thermosphere is also known as ionosphere, where we can find radio transmission. In stratosphere, we can find ozone layer. Let's move to our next question. The Konkan Railway connects, options are Goa Mangalore, Roha Mangalore, Goa Chennai, none of these. The correct answer is that is option B, that is Roha Mangalore. If you talk about Roha, we can find Roha in Maharashtra and Mangalore in Bangalore. The Konkan Railway connects start in 1988. Let's move to our next question. The common tree species in Nilgiri Hills is options are sal, pine, eucalyptus, teak. The correct answer is eucalyptus. That is option C. If you talk about Nilgiri Hills, we can find Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. If you talk about pine we can find in coniferous forest. If you talk about teak, we can find teak in tropical deciduous forest. And if you talk about sal, we can found tropical dry deciduous forests. Let's move to our next question. The land between two rivers is called. Options are alluvial cones, natural leaves, doab, stream. The correct answer is option C. That is doab. Let's move to our next question. Which hill station is known as Queen of Satpuras? Options are Panchmari, Nilgiri, Mahendragiri, Cardamom. The correct answer is option A, that is Panchmari. If you talk about Nilgiri, we can find Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu. If you talk about Mahendragiri, we can find Mahendragiri in Odisha. And if you talk about Cardamom Hills, we can find Cardamom, that is in Western Ghats. Let's move to our next question. Which river is in India flow in a rift valley? Options are Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, Tapti. The correct answer is option A, that is Narmada. If you talk about Krishna originates from Mahakaleshwar, Maharashtra. And if you talk about the largest tributary of Krishna river, that is Tungabhadra. And if you talk about Tapti river, that was originated from Betua, MP. Kaveri is originated from Karnataka, and largest tributary of Kaveri, that is Bhavani. Let's move to our next question. The program of Operation Floods is related with. Options are irrigation, increase in irrigation, flood control, increase milk production, increase food grains. The correct answer is option C, that is increasing milk production. The father of Operation Flood, that is Verghese Kurich. Let's move to our next question. Which of the following is not a line of demarcation between two countries? Options are Durand line, McMahon line, Plimsoll line, Magnoit line. The correct answer is Plimsoll line, that is option C. If you talk about Magnoit line, we can find this line is between Germany and France. McMahon line, that is between India and China. If you talk about Durand line, we can find between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Let's move to our next question. Water potential remain low in. Options are water plants, woody plants, succulents, hylophytes. The correct answer is option D, that is hylophytes. Hylophytes are the plants, salt tolerant plants, that is grow in highly salinity areas, highly salinity water, that is areas. If you talk about the example, that is date palm. Let's move to our next question. Yosemite is a. Options are river, peak, waterfall, dam. The correct answer is that is option C, that is waterfall. You can find Yosemite in California in USA. Bye guys, please like, share, subscribe. Bye guys, see you soon.